In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the printer user interface. The printer soft keys correspond to the choices displayed at the bottom of the LCD. From the Ready screen, press the Help key to go to the Help menu. Press the Info button to view the printer information. Press the Settings button to go to the Settings menu. Press the left arrow key to return to the previous screen. Press the down arrow key to cycle through the menu choices. Press the right arrow key to go to the next menu.